I have the honor to introduce to you His Excellency Mr. Wolfgang Lucas Strohmeyer, Ambassador Designate of Austria to the Independent State of Samoa.
Afiunga Ileao Ole Malo. I have the honor to present to you the letters of credence appointing me as the Ambassador Designate of the Republic of Austria to the Independent State of Samoa. Your Excellency, today I have the honor to present to you the letter of recall of my predecessor as well as my own letter of credence. I'm also very pleased to convey to you the personal greetings of the Federal President of Austria, Mr. Alexander van der Bellen, as well as the warm wishes of my government and the people of Austria. Let me start by emphasizing that I consider it a great privilege for myself and a tremendous pleasure to return to Samoa and its friendly people. E mua mua lava ona o fa ailoa atu, lo u anyanga fa anai e tia, ona o lenei ava loa, ua mawhai ai ona o u, toi foi mai I Samoa, ma ona tangata nu tausa afia. This is my second tour of duty to Oceania after having served here from 2006 to 2010. Austria and Samoa have entertained a very close and friendly relationship for many years. We have cooperated particularly well at the multilateral level on issues of shared priority such as climate action or disarmament. In a global environment that is changing rapidly, both politically and in terms of technology, we hope to further strengthen our excellent bilateral relationship. It's now of particular importance that like-minded democratic partners work closely together to ensure that sovereign nations can make their own decisions and choices in an international, rules-based order free from coercion. In this context, we regard the strong and self-confident community of Pacific Island countries as a key partner. Austria and the European Union stand ready to work closely with Samoa and other Pacific Island countries to tackle all the challenges that affect both our countries, our prosperity, and our well-being, including matters of international security. When it comes to climate action, Austria is proud as a member of the European Union in its Green Deal to contribute to the world with an ambitious climate policy. However, we are also strongly committed to working with other nations in the fight against climate change. The European Union is among the biggest and most important donors of the Pacific Island countries, and climate actions such as investment in renewable energy, sustainable farming or disaster preparedness, capacity building, and the response are focus areas of our support. Moreover, as a signatory of the Memorandum of Understanding on Cooperation regarding climate change with Pacific Island countries, signed in 2007 and renewed in 2019, together with Italy, Spain and Luxembourg, Austria is fully committed to continued bilateral support of investments in green energy and green technology. In conclusion, it is my strong ambition and duty as Ambassador of Austria to Samoa to substantially strengthen our bilateral cooperation. To this end, I look very much forward to fostering personal contacts at all levels and especially at people-to-people level, as well as the establishment of an honorary consulate in Apia as soon as possible. In the spirit of our two countries and long-standing friendship and close cooperation, I'm extending to you the best wishes of the government of Austria and the people of Austria to our friend and partner, Samoa. Let me close by thanking Samoa for the unforgettable memories I collected together with my family and my late mother during an extended visit to Samoa previously in 2009. We all felt very welcome in your beautiful country, not least because our young children were treated with such kindness. Olo Afafina o Katarina, Savala Awina ia Teine Aulelei, Maolo u Atali o Lucas o Tama Malosi. Mai I te taile, Olo u Anyana, o te momoli atu mo Omo Onga, ma wha manuaia mo lau awhionga, ma takata nuu o Samoa, mo se luma nai, manuia ma le tō awhinemo. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Whawhatai lava, ilau awhionga.
Excellency, it is my pleasure to welcome you once again to Samoa and to accept the letter of credence, accrediting you as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Austria to the independent state of Samoa. I also wish to acknowledge the letter of recall of your predecessor. I thank the President for his kind sentiments, and I request that you also convey warm greetings and my best wishes to His Excellency, the government and the people of Austria. Excellency, the Republic of Austria and the independent state of Samoa have continued to maintain cordial and friendly relations for over the course of 30 years since the establishment of our diplomatic relations in 1992. It is through our shared beliefs and values for democracy, governance, peace and security, environmental conservation, and sustainable development that bind our close ties in the pursuit of a peaceful and safer world. Our shared aspirations and goals are evident in our firm belief for cooperation in not only the bilateral level, but also in international fora. Our countries are both members of the United Nations, where we share common ground to uphold global peace and security for all. Samoa recognizes Austria's ongoing efforts in areas of conflict prevention, contributing many Austrian peacekeepers deployed in various UN missions worldwide. Samoa has also followed suit, having sent peacekeepers of our own throughout the years to join the effort in promoting international peace and security in areas of conflict. With the change of weather patterns and rise of sea levels, the issues of climate change pose a threat to many Pacific countries. However, these devastating effects can be felt everywhere, and the need for global action and cooperation is crucial. This is evident in Austria's active participation within the European Union, which is an important partner in the Pacific, and its fight against the issues of climate change, specifically in areas of sustainable development, renewable energy, and disaster preparedness. Your Excellency, your presence here today speaks volumes of the importance of cooperation and the relations between our two countries. I look forward to the future of our partnership, and I am confident that your appointment will yield more opportunities for both our people and our governments. I am delighted to know that you and your family enjoyed your first visit to Samoa and have treasured memories of our country and its hospitality. I hope that you will have the chance again to visit our islands with your family during your tenure as Ambassador of Austria to Samoa. Enjoy the rest of your short stay in Samoa, and I wish you a safe return back to Canberra, Australia. Soifua Mayamari. Welcome, sir.
This is just an illustration of our traditions. On the one hand, and this is something for you and your wife. In case you need to cheer up, it's the New Year's concert of the Viennese Philharmonic Orchestra 2020.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Yeah, about the government, I sent to you this photo album covered with Tapato.
Yes, thank you very much.
Over in Sydney.
Yes,
For Your Excellency.
thank you very much.